Parents, are you tired of seeing your child struggle with homework and not get the grades you know they're capable of? Do they just Google answers but not learn or really understand the subject? Are you frustrated and unable to help them because of new teaching methods and standardized testing? Tutit is here to help. Tutit is an app that instantly connects student with teachers live, one-on-one, right from their phone or tablet. Here's how Tutit works. Simply select a subject from the menu bar and Tutit will show you a list of teachers who are qualified in that subject. Read bios to find the right teacher for you. Then simply request a session. And within 60 seconds, your child and that teacher can be connected live through the Tutit app. Tutit features photo uploading, chat window, voice, and whiteboard functionality. Just upload a photo of a problem or section of a book. Then student and teacher can talk and use the whiteboard until the student thoroughly understands the subject. With Tutit, they don't just get answers, they actually learn. Sessions can be saved for review later, and tutors can be added to favorites for easy reference. The cost is just 99 cents per minute, much more affordable and safer than traditional face-to-face tutoring. So with Tutit, you never have to pay for more help than they need. The minute they get it, they're done. To get started with Tutit today, search Tutit in the App Store or Google Play. Visit tutitapp.com.